I'm sure you've seen for yourself, and you can also judge the performance level rightly. I think the contractors need to do more. From the reports rendered by the consultants, they are not moving fast enough, and that's not good enough. We'll carry out appropriate, I will issue the appropriate instructions so that we can see that this project is completed in time. But from what I've seen on ground and from what you can also bear with me, it is short of what we expect. In recent times, I'm sure you're also aware that our youths have done exceedingly well in the various international sporting events and national as well that they have competed in. And I think for us to encourage them, we need to provide appropriate sporting facilities for them. I just went to check and see the state of these facilities. We have our state team that is taking part in continental tournaments. Sadly, we will have to be traveling out of the state to go and have our encounters. I'm sure if we can do something to ensure that we benefit locally, that's precisely why we are out here to see what we have.
concrete access to the
Roger, go back there.
Okay, so
This is the view of the house. The roof is broken. They just fixed it and bent the head yesterday.
what event was it?
That was a shift from during the COVID. They use it.
Our daddy with a grip.
Okay. If it's now, let's go. Performance level, rightly, I think.
That's the shaft. You are not open the Naira coin.